Yes, the information is all there from the HDB website. Everything is there. It's just that putting it all together to make sense, right, is really hard. Plus the time issue. I actually wanted to try to do it by myself from the start. Okay, so I did my research and it was a bit overwhelming. So although I had the information, I didn't know which one to approach first. I'm always dubious about agents, insurance agents or whatever agents, you know, they tend to like want to cut you like sharks, you know. So Felicia and Diana are more like friends. So they give a very friendly vibe, which is really helpful because it helps you to think clearly. That first meetup, Diana helped me to lay it down in layman terms, simply, and that really saved me a lot of time. So it really helps to answer a lot of the questions out from the beginning so that we can focus on more on what I want to get. From my experience with Diana and Felicia is that the house is there, you can find it if you know where to look. I didn't expect to get the house that I really liked in the beginning. In fact, I had a few which I liked, but they got something which was even better. So take your time and get a good agent. Like together, we defined and molded what I really wanted in a house, which I got, which is really something really surreal. I really love it. Thanks.